From simple continuous waves to complex digitally modulated signals, every real signal has some amount of distortion. It is important to characterize this in your systems because distortion results in energy at unintended frequencies, which could cause interference. Today we'll discuss how you can determine the total harmonic distortion of your system using a signal analyzer. Hi, I'm Allie, and welcome to Ready, Set, Measure. Total harmonic distortion is the measurement of the harmonic distortion present in a signal, and is the ratio of the sum of the powers of all surrounding harmonic components to the power of the fundamental signal, your device's signal. A good example of distortion is speakers. A high-quality speaker will have minimal distortion and sound better. A low-quality speaker will have higher distortion. And the difference between the two is the quality of the amplifiers and filters in the speakers. To quantify this, we need to calculate the total harmonic distortion of our system, in dBc. When designing a system, you want your total harmonic distortion to be as low as possible. Measuring harmonic distortion can be quite time-consuming if you have to do it manually. You have to identify all the harmonic power levels and then add them together, and then find the ratio to the power of the fundamental signal. It's much easier if we use a signal analyzer though. By using the harmonics measurement, the total harmonic distortion and up to 10 harmonics are calculated for us in dBc. The harmonic distortion measurement supports signals from simple CW all the way up to complex multi-carrier communication signals. By knowing the total harmonic distortion of my signal, I can now evaluate whether or not my signal will cause any interference with systems operating in other channels. To learn more about power measurements, check out the Making Fast and Accurate Power Measurements application note linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe here and check out the RF Facebook page for more videos like this. On your mark, ready, set, measure.